Hello from the food forest, from the garden beds area where I grow my veggies. We have late spring here on the Fraser Coast, Queensland, Australia, in subtropics. And I will take you with me to have a look what's happening in the garden beds right now. And so let's get started, and I will see you at the end of the video again. We just had some rain again and having it like for last 2 weeks, so this really helps, I tell you. I've got some purple king beans growing nicely here. Seb made me this fantastic trellis for my garden beds. I really love them. For the beans I have put some rope in here as well, so they can climb nicely. So this is really looking good. Look at the pumpkin. This is still the pumpkin that I already have it in here in the food forest for the last 4 years or so. She is going crazy. So yeah, here the purple king. Looking forward to the beans. These are, by the way, the very last raised garden beds that we've built. This one and this one over there. And here I've got some zucchinis, which are actually now starting to give us some delicious zucchinis. Let's have a look. Oh, look at it. So I can start harvesting basically today now. I love zucchinis. How is your favorite way to eat zucchinis? So we usually like it on a barbecue, like put some olive oil and garlic and put it on barbecue, yummo. Or in a pan, same way with garlic and olive oil. Very yummy. I love zucchini. But I'm also doing sometimes like zucchini, like I don't know how the kitchen tool name is. Like you do like a noodles, julienne or whatever. I don't know how it calls. But I do like a noodles out of them. And then just quickly on a pan, on a hot pan, and with some bolognese sauce or so. So yeah. Zucchini is doing very well too. So these ones are going crazy, these two garden beds. In between there is the pumpkin. As already said, this is 3 or 4 years now, and I let her grow here in between the garden beds. So that's where she can expand, but she already took it over here as well. And I will let her grow along the garden beds here, because this is where the sun comes. So basically from the north, so full sun all day. The leaves are protecting the garden beds, which are built out of a tin, tin or colorbond, or how you call it. Of course I have to take care. I know there might be snakes or something, but I'm always wearing my boots. My boots. So I'm good, and my garden beds are good as well. So let's get over there. Let's go over there to the other garden beds. Oh, look at her, going crazy. I harvest the leaves regularly when we do stir fry. Very nice, really good addition to all sorts of dishes. So here my summer cucumber in this one here. This is from my seeds from last year. Summer cucumber because they don't mind the heat. This is a really good variety for hot and humid summer. So we enjoyed them a lot last summer, last season. So I planted them here in this garden bed. Then on the other side, the carrots are finished. The garden bed looks a little bit of messy, but I planted capsicums, which are doing pretty well actually, flowering nicely and already setting some nice fruit. I will clean up the garden bed here as soon as I get into it, and we'll put some more veggies in here because the capsicum doesn't need the entire garden bed. At least that's what I think. So I will put something else in there and we'll update on it then. And here I've got 2 tromboncinos, but it looks like it's not a season for tromboncino at all. It is struggling. I will put some compost tea in this garden bed anyway after I cleaned it and put some mulch in. So maybe she will do better, but for now, really, she should be ashamed when looking at the zucchini and the pumpkin in between. So yeah. Then here, the cucumbers. I call them also the spring cucumbers for our subtropical area. These are the market more. We have harvested quite a few. Still some hanging in here. We are still getting some, but they pretty much finished. It's just too humid. So I will get those probably today. But the cucumbers are nearly done, I think. We still have some little ones. We will see how they go. How they will cope. But yeah, nothing for hot and humid summer. But I have already planted in here, while the cucumbers are finishing slowly. I have already planted some Madagascar bean seedlings. So yeah, while the cucumbers will be finishing their job, the Madagascar bean can already grow, and usually beans don't need to be fertilized, the soil fertilized a lot, because they will fix their own nitrogen. So I don't think I have to do something in here apart from maybe putting some more mulch, maybe a little bit compost tea. I will see how they go. Oh, we're actually getting some nice sun after the rain. Bees have come out again. Where is she? Okay, she's there. This garden bed is nothing but weeds at the moment. I got really annoyed with my guinea fowls because they have destroyed the remaining beetroots that we were having here. I still have some shallots. I will move them somewhere else, and we'll do a good clean in here. We'll enrich the soil and we'll plant something else. Some nice summer veggies, greens or whatever. We will see. So yeah, really happy to see the cucumbers growing so nicely. The others are just finishing. These ones hopefully coming soon. For now I can only see leaves everywhere. Lots of greens here, but no cucumbers yet, so hopefully they will start soon. And so 6 garden beds all in total here, and I am very happy. Cannot complain. Everything is growing nicely so far. Still have some space over there, the one to plant something else, and also here where the capsicum is, so it's all good. Additionally, I always harvest the self-seeding and the perennial greens, which we are growing, and lots of herbs everywhere from the food forest. Yeah, I know, look at the grasses, the crazy grasses in between here, but I am not touching them, and you know why? I tell you, because the guinea fowls are laying the eggs there. So I'm not disturbing them. I will clean up after they finish laying eggs there. The most important, we always have something from the garden to enjoy. Always some nice veggies, and yeah, not only the annuals, but I'm also harvesting regularly all the self-seeding and the perennial greens, the perennial edibles from the food forest. So very happy. Would be interesting to know what are you growing at the moment at your place. Let me know in the comments below what's your summer favorite veggie and the area where you grow it. Would be interesting to know. Oh, there is my eggplant also, which is not annual. We're talking about annuals today, but some people are growing it as annual. So I'm still harvesting and have another plant growing, a young plant, because this one is already 3 or 4 years old. So it's about time to say goodbye. Doesn't look very good anymore, but still giving us fruit. So all good. Oh, look at the pretty pumpkins, young pumpkins. Lots of flowers, lots of new fruitlets here on the pumpkin plant. So very nice. So windy again. I'm really happy to see all the garden, but all the veggies growing nicely. We are having rain on and off for the last 2 weeks actually. So everything is getting watered nicely. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I think we might get some more rain again. So wishing you all the best with all your garden projects. Let me know what are you growing at the moment in the part of the world where you are. I'm so happy to see many people from around the world are watching my videos. So yeah, lots of greetings to your place. Ooh. And the rain starts again, so have a good one and see you next time. Bye bye.